Well, here comes 7.6.3. And this is a way to find out the measure of an angle created by a tangent to a circle and a chord that emanates from the point of tangency. So you can see here that BC is a chord, and we've got, B is a point of tangency. And what we're interested in is finding out this angle right here, right? Now, it's an interesting angle because it's definitely related to the red arc, which we'll figure out in a second. And here's the theorem at the bottom. An angle created by a tangent and a chord is half the measure of the intercepted arc. It's exactly the same as an inscribed angle, except this is not an inscribed angle. And the best way to show it, which over here is the plan for the proof, draw a line parallel to the tangent line through C. So let's do that, right? We'll take C. I could actually do it, watch this. I can do it over here, parallel line through a point and parallel to a line, and there it is. There's our nice parallel line. And since that is parallel, we know that, again, using things from our past, alternate interiors are equal, right? Now what's nice about this angle up here is that it's a truly inscribed angle. So we know that this angle is half of this intercepted arc. Isn't that cool? So what's nice is that what we just did in the previous screencast is we said, oh, but look what happens when we have two parallel lines, right, or a parallel tangent and a secant. We know that they cut off congruent arcs. So this arc on the side, right, is the exact same as this one. So hopefully it makes sense to you that you can make that connection. Let's put some numbers in just because that makes it a little bit easier. Let's say that this is, and this is terrible, but let's say this is 50 degrees. That means this is 100 degrees, but that means that this is 100 degrees. And because this is 50, and these are alternate interiors, this is 50 as well. So again, an angle created by a chord and a tangent will be half of the intercepted arc. I have to tell you that many students have a hard time with this, seeing that this is an intercepted arc right here, but it is. Okay, and that's 7.6, tangent and chord theorem. It's a huge thing to add to your bag of tricks when we're trying to figure out what angle measures are.